Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight on trip.com app. Okay, so of course you have to download the application first from your App Store or Play Store. And then after installing the app, you just have to sign up for an account. Okay, so you'd be able to see your account details right here at the bottom right. So just simply click on the account option. So once you're done, just simply click on the home button. That's right. And then click on this X right here. And then here you have the flights option at the top. So we have the hotels, flight plus hotel, trains. We also have homes and attractions and tours, car rentals, and airport transfers. So I'm just going to click on the flights. Okay, and then after that, just going to select the type of flight that we want. So we have one way, we have round trip, and multi-city. So I'm just going to select the round trip. Okay, and then the next thing that you are going to do is to select your destination. Okay, so here we have the country, city, or the airport. So for example, we have our Asia. We also have Europe, Oceania, North America, South America, and Africa. Just going to select Asia. Then we are going to choose South Korea. All right. Then of course, next is the date. Okay, so simply click on this option, and then you have to select your date. So we have from October 22 to October 29. Okay, and then click on done after that. Okay, so of course the type of flight, so we have the economy. Okay, so you can only search for economy class tickets when you have not selected a specific departure or arrival location. So you have to take note of that as well. Then after that, you just have to click on the search option. Okay, so we have here the different flights. Okay, so you just have to choose. It will depend on your budget. So for example, the first one, simply click on it, and then we have here now, okay, the different itineraries. So for example, I'm going to choose the second result. Okay, so all of the departure flights are fully booked, so we'll try to find an available flight. So for example, this one. Okay, so here we can scroll up to see more information about this one. After that, click on continue. Okay, so right here we have our departure time or the full details of this flight. Okay, so we have economy and business or first class. So you can see the rate difference. Okay, so for example, we're just going to stick with the economy flight. All right, so I want this one, so you just have to select your flight, and then after that, right here, you have to input the information of the guests. So here we have the given name. So you have to take note to enter your name exactly as it appears on your travel documents for check-in. So if the name is incorrect, you may not be able to board your flight and a cancellation fee will be charged. So make sure that the names that you are going to type of right here are all correct. So for example, we have here our given name. So I'm just going to type out and then your last name. Okay, and then after that, here, if you would if the passenger has no last name or surname, so you can also check this box right here. Okay, so I'm just type out the last name again, and then of course the gender on the ID. I'm going to select a male, right? And then the nationality, the country or region, so Philippines. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then the date of birth. Okay, so I'm just going to select a random birthday and click on confirm after that. And then here you have the ID type. So we have passport. And then you have to type out right here the password number and then the expiration date of your passport. Okay, so here for the frequent flyer program, this one is optional, but you can add this to passengers' frequent flyer details to earn at least 480 airline miles points. So the number of points you will receive is determined by the airline. And then, of course, the contact name, and then the phone number, and then the email address. Okay, so you just have to make sure that the contact name is correct, as well as the phone number, and of course the email. Okay, so after that you just have to go here. Here we have the insurance. So we have I'm okay with no protection and protection plans. So the benefits of selecting the protection plans, as you can see right here, you have an international travel insurance. So it's worth up to 1 million USD, total of 5 plus benefits. So we have refund of flights and other prepaid trip costs if you have to cancel or cut short your trip. We also have emergency medical and dental treatment expenses up to $1 million, and then refund of trip costs for illness. We also have emergency medical evacuation, repatriation expenses, and 24-hour travel emergency assistance services. So this one will cost you around 3,870 pesos. All right, and then after that, here we also have the baggage allowance. So if you would like to add more, then just have to go here. All right, and then if you also have a promo code, then you just have to add here uh, the passenger first, and then you can type out the promo code. And then the last thing that you're going to do here is to select this box right here to confirm that you have read and agreed to the booking terms listed in the trip.com's terms of use, privacy statement, China Southern Airlines Company, and more. So basically, using the Trip.com app, it offers the convenience of planning and managing your entire trip in one place. It allows you to book flights, hotels, trains, and even car rentals easily. It's often at discounted rates. So the app also provides real-time flight updates, 24/7 customer service, and access to user reviews to help you make better travel decisions. So, with its simple interface and reward point system, you can save money while enjoying a smooth and hassle free booking experience anytime and anywhere. So, again, using the Trip.com app, it gives the travelers an all in one platform for planning, booking, and managing their trips. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.